Hey there, digital explorers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to stay safe online in 2025. Cyber threats are everywhere, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some practical cybersecurity tips to keep you protected in this ever-evolving digital world. A hacker character trying to break into a computer, but a strong firewall and security system stop them. Cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated every day. We need to be prepared for anything from phishing scams to ransomware attacks. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, these tips will help secure your information. Tip 1. Use multi-factor authentication, MFA. A person logs into an account using their password, and then gets a prompt on their phone to verify. You've heard this before, but in 2025, this is non-negotiable. Always use multi-factor authentication, or MFA. It's a second layer of security that makes it harder for hackers to get into your accounts, even if they somehow get your password. This could be a text message, a biometric scan, or a security app. MFA examples are shown, such as fingerprint scans, authentication apps, and text message codes. Honestly, if you're not using MFA by now, it's like leaving your front door wide open in a sketchy neighborhood. Tip 2. Regularly update your software. A notification pops up on a laptop asking the user to update their system. I know. You hate those constant update notifications. But here's the deal, those updates are there for a reason. Companies release patches to fix vulnerabilities. If you don't update, you're basically giving hackers a free pass. The person clicks, "Update now," and the computer screen flashes with a "You're protected" message. So, set those updates to automatic if you can and let your devices keep you safe. Tip 3. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Someone connects to public Wi-Fi in a coffee shop, and a hacker in the background starts snooping. Public Wi-Fi can be super convenient, but it's also a playground for hackers. If you must use public Wi-Fi, make sure you're using a virtual private network, or VPN. It creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. A lock icon appears over the Wi-Fi signal as a VPN is activated, and the hacker is blocked. Without a VPN, your data is like a postcard, anyone can read it. But with a VPN, it's sealed in an envelope, safe and secure. Tip 4. Use strong, unique passwords. A list of common weak passwords like 123,456 and password is crossed out. We can't talk about cybersecurity without mentioning passwords. In 2025, if you're still using weak passwords, you're in trouble. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords for every account. The screen shows a person typing in a complicated, generated password and storing it in a password manager. It's like giving each of your accounts its own set of armor. Tip 5. Be wary of phishing scams. A fake email comes in asking for personal information, but it's flagged as suspicious. Phishing attacks are getting smarter. In 2025, they'll look even more convincing. Always double-check email addresses, don't click suspicious links, and never give out personal information unless you're absolutely sure of who's asking. A person deletes a phishing email after verifying it was fake. There you have it, 5 essential cybersecurity tips to help you stay safe in 2025. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities, but also risks. Staying vigilant and following these tips can make all the difference. The screen flashes with key points: MFA, updates, VPN, strong passwords, phishing awareness. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on staying safe in the digital age. And drop your favorite cybersecurity tip in the comments. Stay safe out there.